Have you been constantly talking to this girl and you really like her, but you're thinking, what can I do to make her really like me, really like me? What can I do? Now this video is for you, because today I'm going to be telling you how to make a girl addicted to you. Non-stop addicted, very much addicted to you. Very addicted to you in a very good way, not in an obsessed manner, okay, but super addicted to you. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and stay until the end of this video. Don't go anywhere. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, if you're new, hi, this is Real Talk with IJ. Be sure to check my other videos to talk about love, sex, and relationship as it concerns the men, because we're trying to help you guys, find the best woman for you and choose them at the end of the day and learn how to treat them right, most importantly. So today we're talking about how to make a girl addicted to you. So without wasting much of your time, because I know I speak really fast, and I'm going to slow down so you can hear everything I say. Starting now, okay? So sign number one. Okay, the first thing you have to do to make a girl really addicted to you in a good way is you have to form emotional connection. Yes, most guys in general just have a relationship for a relationship's sake, apart from having sex. Okay, guys are afraid to love, you're afraid to show emotions, you're afraid to wear your emotions on your sleeves because you feel like a guy should be strong, a guy shouldn't really show that he loves, a guy shouldn't cry, blah blah, you just have to spend money. No. Okay, if you want a girl to be addicted to you, you want a girl to stick to you, you need to show emotions. She needs to know that you are emotionally connected to her. You need to emotionally form a connection to this girl. You need to make her see that you love her. You need to say you love her more often, and you have to also show it by action that you love her. Do not be afraid to feel hurt when she hurts you. Do not be afraid to show that she hurts you. Do not be afraid to demand an apology. Do not be afraid also to apologize when you're wrong. Do not be afraid to share some of your emotional feelings with this girl. Cry if you have to. It doesn't matter. Even though personally I don't like a girl who really cries. Like, I don't have an issue with a guy crying, but I feel like I need to know why you're crying. It needs to make meaning why you're crying. Like, one time I was dating a guy and he lost his mom, and you had to see this emotion. It was, he was mourning, he was crying, he was in pain, but I was like, oh my goodness. Like, I cannot explain this, guys, but yeah, please show your emotions, Scott. This will help your girl connect more to you if she can understand your emotions, and if you let it out, not by only crying, but yeah, obviously if you form an emotional connection with this girl, she's going to stay addicted to you. Yes. Next. Secondly, you have to be loyal. Okay, I don't know why people are trained loyalty to the trash, but you have to be loyal. I see a lot of the guys in this generation just want to jump from one girl to another, talking about girls and shit. Like, bro, girls are shit. Okay, they are the shit at the end of the day. So you have to be loyal to your girl. If you find a girl who has all of what you want, all of the character, all of whatnot, you need to stay loyal to her. You need to keep your eyes on her, eyes on the prize. Okay, you need to remove the idea of jumping up and down like a basketball who wants to go into you understand. So make sure you are loyal to your girl, because there's something about loyalty, girls. Like, see, if you treat your girl woman right, and if you make your woman know that she's the only one, she's going to be the only one, she's going to stick with you as long as you're being loyal to her. Because a lot of women actually just want loyalty, because these days women are bagging monies themselves. Women are very industrious and very ambitious, bagging their own money, and actually what they want is just a support system, someone who will stay by their side to support them and say, babe, I'm with you, whatever you want to do. So it's not really about your money anymore in this generation. So it's all about your loyalty. You want to stay with this girl, you want to stick with this girl, you have to be loyal. You have to be loyal to her, and trust me, she's going to stay addicted to you, because loyalty is something that is so hard to get these days, even from family. Sorry to say, but if you find a girl who you really want, be loyal. If you're loyal to this girl, she's going to stick with you, thick or thin. She's going to be addicted to you. She's going to boast about you. She's going to get a megaphone and she's going to scream out loud and say, that's my man. That's a girl who's addicted to you. So be loyal. Thirdly, you have to dress nicely. I'm not saying dress expensive, okay? Just dress nicely. You want a girl to be addicted to you, you have to dress nicely. Okay, this also goes out to single men out there. You want a girl to see you, you want women to chase you, you want women to like you, want women to notice you, you want to bag all the women around you. You have to dress nicely, because I mean, dressing nice is just something that you have to do normally. You always have to be on your best game. It doesn't have to be expensive. If you stay in Dubai, there's brand for less, there's gift for less, there's day to day. This shops sell less expensive items, and all you have to do is have a bunch of them so you can change them frequently. Okay, you don't have to own them for 6 months to 1 year. So if you can't buy all of those Louis Vuitton and all of that are very expensive, or Gucci and Prada and all of that, you have to buy all of this brand for less. And trust me, if you know how to mix and match, if you know how to do the whole color combos, and if you don't know, I'm pretty sure there are channels on YouTube that will teach you how to dress like a gentleman and to look fly like a gentleman. So be sure to go check out those channels. Buy very affordable clothes. Don't kill yourself on buying expensive things. Buy affordable clothes. Know how to mix and match. Know how to look good when you want to see her. And of course, a girl who you're trying to bag, you should already know her style when it comes to men. So try to fit into that style. And each time she sees you, she's going to be like, that's my man. Okay. So be sure to know how to dress fine. Because if you are a fine looking man, if you are a well-dressed fine man, your woman is going to be addicted to you. Even sure to have friends maybe addicted to you also, because men like you are rare. So dress nicely to make a girl addicted to you. Okay, so the next point is you have to be mentally stable. Yes, every woman wants a man who is mentally stable, not a man who will get angry and smash the TV, not a man who will get angry and he won't show up in 3 days. So if you want a girl to be addicted to you, your mentality needs to be matured. You need to have a steady mental whatever. If you have mental health issue, go check yourself in a hospital and check yourself so that you don't have issues in this relationship. Because every girl who wants to be addicted to a man, or the best way to get a girl to be addicted to you is you have sane. You are sane. Actually, you have sense. Your brain is very calm. You know how to be thoughtful. You know how to think. You know how to plan. Excuse me, you know how to handle situations, okay? No matter how difficult or how tensed everything is, you know how to stay calm when everywhere is on fire, and then plan and then turn off that fire. So you need to have some kind of mental stability, okay? You have to have a very calm mentality on how to handle issues. You don't have to be like a woman, or most women, let me not say women in general, where any little thing you also flare up and then you start to blah 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 and talk, nag, complain. No. Okay, you have to have a sound mind. So if you have a calm mentality, or a good mentality, a healthy mentality, you're going to be able to have that woman addicted to you, because her man knows how to handle situation. Her man knows how to handle stuff. A man knows how to think and plan and organize stuff and make things happen. So if you don't have that mentality, how are you going to have a girl addicted to you? Okay, so I mean, this may be a health issue. So if you have the money, you can go check it out. If you need therapy, you need to check yourself in. Okay, therapy helps a lot, even though people run away from it, but therapy helps a lot. So see somebody, not me, because I'll just make everything worse. Just kidding, but see a therapist, okay? See a licensed therapist who's gonna help you out, and then just help yourself normally. The things that you normally do, sometimes think about it 2 times before you jump doing it. Okay, now if you know how to handle your mental health, you will know how to get a girl addicted to you. Sorry, I got distracted by a kid's sound. Next one. So the next one is you have to be a confident man. I mean, even if I don't mention this, you should know that a man who wants to have a woman addicted to him needs to be confident. Every lady wants a confident man. I've not met any one lady who doesn't like a man who's confident. Bro, you need to be confident. You need to know how to speak. You need to know how to command respect. You need to know how to walk into a room and say a word and people listen to you. You need to know how to carry yourself. Now, confidence is not arrogance. Don't get me wrong. If you haven't seen my video on confidence and arrogance, I'll drop the link somewhere here. You can click on it and go check if you're an arrogant man or a confident man, because it's a very thin line between being confident and being arrogant. But in this case, we're talking about being very confident. So if you want a girl to be addicted to you, you need to be very confident. You need to be able to be out there with your woman, and then she sees that you can serve and protect. She sees that you can talk for yourself. She doesn't always have to come out and say, oh, what happened? La la la. No, you should be able to speak and say, babe, don't worry, I have this handled, and speak, and people listen, and then you handle the situation. Okay, you're going to a bar and they're blah blah blah, you come out and you speak, and they let your woman go in, and then they fix everything all right for you guys. Okay, so if you're not a confident man, learn how to build your confidence. Okay, this is not a video on how to build your confidence, but I'm going to give you one simple trick to help you build your confidence. Look in the mirror and speak to yourself. Okay, speak to yourself. That's one way to be a confident person. Speak. Always speak to yourself. If you don't have anybody to practice with yourself in the mirror. Come to the mirror, have a presentation from yourself to yourself. Say something, speak, imagine a situation, handle it by looking in the mirror. This is just a tip I'm giving you. This is one way to help you be a confident person. If you had a fight with someone, you had a talk with someone, and you feel deep down that you didn't actually express yourself well, when you go back home, replay that situation in your head, in the mirror. Talk and talk and talk and talk and talk, and imagine this is how you would have said it. Do this often, and if you have similar situations, you find out that you already have what you want to say at the tip of your tongue, because you've been practicing how to talk, you've been practicing how to be a confident person. This is one way, and I'm sure there are other ways to build your confidence, and if you haven't seen it, go check out my other videos on how to build your confidence, and it will really help you. So a confident man will help a girl get addicted to him. And the last but not the least on my list is be unpredictable. Like, be mysterious. Like, don't let your woman be able to tell your next move. Okay, don't give her everything at once. Don't let see finish coming. Okay, if you're unpredictable, if she doesn't know what you're going to do next, it's going to be a thrill for her to always be like, oh, okay, I didn't see that coming. Okay, a girl who you want to get addicted to you needs to know that you're a mystery and you're very unpredictable, and she gets excited this time you do something new that she did not anticipate, or she did not know you could do this. So don't be predictable. Don't be this boring guy that she can just tell what your Mondays through Sunday is going to look like. So be spicy. Okay, be sweet in the middle. Be something that she has to unravel until then she sees that there's something new in this person. Okay, be like an onion. Every peel you get something new, you get something fresh. Every peel you get something fresh. So be unpredictable, be exciting. Okay, don't just be very boring and then she can, you know what I mean. So an unpredictable man, a mysterious man to a woman who is already in love with him, is a way of getting her addicted to him, because she wants to know, what more can I see? What more is he going to do? Like, it's like watching a series and you are just addicted to it because you want to see what the next episode is going to be. You want to see the next episode. You want to see the next episode. Okay, so you have to be unpredictable, be a mystery, and you will get that girl hooked up on you like some juice. Okay, thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what other ways that you can have a girl addicted to you, and if you have any conflict with all of my points, be sure to also let me know. Okay, we live and learn every day, so be sure to check out my other videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay loved, stay beautiful, and bye for now.